Hi guys, here at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Stupid car. There we go, time is 15:38 on Saturday the 6th of June 2015. This is for our 15:39 1 Sierra 21 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Lincolnshire Cross to Edinburgh. The signal up there's just gone double amber, but that's just going to green because it stays on green all the time. Just like flipping Ruskington, the signal towards Rowston. Yep, she's gone green. Here she is. Is the Battle of Britain won? 91-110? 82-203, and up they go. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.